Why system 2 thinking is more important in stock market. And are you wondering what is that system 2 thinking? And it's all related to emotional intelligence. So I'm just going to share about the interesting stuff what Dan Coleman has shared about emotional intelligence in this video, and more important in stock market. So this is Ganesan, your millionaire coach and author of the book Money Leaks, and upcoming author of the book One Page Stock Market Plan. So today it's all about why system 2 thinking is more important, how you can enhance it, right? So what is the difference between system 1 and system 2? So this is what I'm going to share to you, and you can apply this in your life too. So this is going to be a most important stuff which you can apply in life as well as in stock market. So before I proceed, please go and click the subscriber button so that you get interesting videos on stock market, mutual funds, and insurance, which will help in increasing your wealth, right? So what is system 1 thinking? If something is coming up in front of you and if you decide just quickly or based on the first impression, that is called as system 1 thinking. The best example is if your mom or spouse brings a so much lovable dish. The presentation is so good, the first impression is it's so good, and you will try to grab it and have it in your have as immediately as possible, right? So this is system on thinking, and you will decide whether it is good or not, and you will just throw out your opinion. It's awesome and it's great and it's tasting so great, and I haven't tasted like this in my life, right? So this is system on thinking immediately on each and everything. Just think of, if you watch a movie, you will say that this movie is good, this movie is not good, this that they could have cut short this much timeline. All these stuff will come immediately without even analyzing what the director would have thought and what the actor would have thought. We'll openly say that. And even when it comes to watching cricket, the latest thing is about how India won over Australia in the series, right? So it's all about how the players are there. There is no Virat Kohli, nobody is there. India is not going to perform. This is what immediately Australian grades are told. All the previous captains and everybody told that India is going to be whitewashed, and including the England captains. But the point is, we made sure we are there, we conquered, and we just returned with full appreciation of everybody across India as well as the world, right? That's what India did. So it's all about system two thinking, and what is that system two thinking is all about? Analyzing each and every point of view, just not the same immediate first impression. Is it something I should look into it, uh, underlying that important information? For example, Virat Kohli is not there, and what is the underlying point? The batting is weak. So what can Ajinkya Rahane do? What can others do? Other people do? And how nobody would have expected Ashwin to to bat up that much on the last day of the Sydney Test, along with Pujara, not Pujara, Vihari. Even Pujara on the last day of final test in Gaba, nobody would have expected him to take so much on his body blows, and still he stood up for almost like more than 200 balls. Nobody could have done that. And next to Dravid, we can surely say that he is one of the great. And along with that, so many batting grades, Washington Sundar, Rishabh Pant, we can keep going on and on. Each and everybody had contributed to this series. Each and every session was handled by separate members of the Indian team. So this is all about the bench strength, and India's thought about what will happen if some people are not there and they just had a bench strength. If each and everybody has went one after another because of injuries, and we just had each and everybody who becoming a hero. This is system 2 because we had a back strength, bench strength, and because of that they were able to play, and that too to the fullest potential. In our life in stock market, let's think about stock market. System 1 thinking is all about trading. Just keep on going, watching the chart pattern. Okay, this stock will go up by few percentage and I'll invest in it. And it's if you get into if there is a market crash or whatever, this system 1 trading concept doesn't work. The charts and patterns doesn't work. I went through a interesting course in Sharekhan. They teach online trading academy, where they tell that if there is no signals, just don't trade. It's okay if you're not trading for a few weeks. It's okay. So during the trading timeline, you will not get valid entry point, and they do an interesting thing. I just loved the concept what they taught more than all the trading concepts on charts, patterns, and RSI, volume, and all these stuff. What they told is very simple, and it was easily working for some time. But when it comes to system two thinking, you always think about what is going to happen in the future, looking at the economy, and then what the underlying economy is saying, and what will happen if something is not going to work in the future, and all these aspects you'll think. And that's all about system to thinking. And that brings in the emotional intelligence. If you're someone who is looking for long term, you will invest when the market is crashing, when the market is full of, and when the market is full of greedy people looking after investing keep on going, and the market rallies keep on going. You will think whether should I invest or should I wait for the right moment, because all it takes is couple of months for your investments to double if you're investing at the right point. And then keep on holding to the as long as possible. Because if your system on thinking, just think of a couple of days before market crash. Last Friday market was coming down, and even on Monday market is coming down. People are worrying what will happen the international market, and what will happen in India. But immediately on Tuesday, the market rallied like anything, and for all the market downs, it just went up, and it still keeps going. And we are just going to touch 50,000 points, and that is how the market has been rallying. So my important point today is all about how emotional intelligence, that is a core of life as well as core of stock market as well. So have a proper bench strength. Just like think twice before spitting it out. If you're somebody who just keep going and sharing your views among in the forums and everything, just bring slow it down. Think like what is happening in your life, and then rely upon the system to thinking, and then share. Okay. And when it comes to stock market, it's all about investing in stocks and investing in business more than stocks. If you feel that the stock market is all about investing in a business, you know you are in for a long run, you are in for a creating wealth, you are going to create wealth. And in the meantime, making money will happen, and more money will happen, and eventually the wealth creation will happen. So just think twice before investing and after, because if you think twice, you will be going to choose some of the good stocks to invest. And if you need any help in that aspect, just click the webinar and just join in my free webinar on stock market success formula, where I'm going to share about interesting stuff on EIC analysis and habit framework, which will help you in finding the good stocks. Thank you so much for watching. Always have system to thinking, and then that will help you in achieving so much in life as well as in stock market. Thank you.